Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how, by improving your website, you can get more customers, outrun your competition. And if by the end of the video you guys like what you hear and think we can help you out, we're more than happy to assist you. So let's start here with your website. And the first thing that I can see right here is that you can use more content. And by content, in this case, I'm referring to wording. So more words, it has to be relevant content, it has to be rich, it has to include the keywords that you want to be found for, and that will help you to be targeting the keywords that you want to be found for. And I'm going to show you, comparing your website to what I believe is might be your main competition. So um, if we look on the back end of the website, you can see that you're only being found for two keywords. Let's take a look at those keywords really quick. And you can see that just being found for these two keywords. So not too much of a exposure there. Um, I'm going to be showing you also what are backlinks and how is that helping your rating so you can be found on the Google search. So backlinks really quick are other sites that are mentioned in your website, and that will give you power to be found on Google. So just for you to know, not all links are created equal. So you can have hundreds and hundreds of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you want to be found for, they're going to be completely useless. So based on that, you have eight backlinks, not really that much. And I did a quick search for electrician in Princeton, New Jersey. I know you guys are based on East Windsor, I believe, but East Windsor doesn't have too much of demand for what you guys service for your services. So, and I want to be showing you why am I talking exactly in this case. So, going back to the search, if I type electrician Princeton, New Jersey, the first section you're gonna see is this is sponsor. Of course, you pay to be there to Google. Then we have your traditional Google Ads, and also this is where you pay every time somebody clicks on it. The next section we have is the map section, and this is very important because regardless of your location, you can target specific areas so you can have more exposure and more people to visit your website and turn them into potential clients. Then we have the organic results. We have the Home Advisor, Yelp, which are directories. And I pull out this website from electricalmakeover.com. And if we look on their website, this is something that you have to you have to take in consideration. They have a lot more of content, of course, more than you do. And if we want to be competing with these guys, you definitely will need content, and not just on the homepage, but more pages. If you have different services, like these guys have over here, have individual pages for each one of the services. And again, it has to include the content that I'm telling you because it will help. It will definitely will help you. So if we look on the back end of the website, you can see that they're being found for 244 keywords. That's bringing them around 51 visits to their website a month. And of course, they have more backlinks than you do, but it's not that much. For this amount of backlinks, these two should be a little more higher. But again, this is what I was telling you. Not all links are created equal. If we look on the keywords that they're being found for, so for example, uh, for their brand name, Princeton Electrical Makeover, they're position number one. Princeton Electrician, right here, you can see that there's an average of 30 searches a month, and they're getting six. This is driving only six visits to their website, and they're ranking number one. This one over here is a little more with more of a value. It has 60 searches a month, And if you would be running Google Ads, this is what it would cost you: $18 each time that somebody clicks on it. And same thing, they're ranking number three, like we saw over there. They just start climbing up. Again, this is giving them around 6 visits to their website. But these are the keywords that you might want to take in consideration, like this one, for example. Somerville electrician might be one of the areas that you guys cover. But this keyword has 150 searches a month, a little more than these other two. Uh, let's see, electrician freehold, same thing, 60 searches a month, and they're not ranking really good on that. So the simple tips, if you want to take advantage of these searches that people are searching, I think it will be great for your business. And uh, keep in mind that you have to target specific keywords based on the volume that they have on the Google search. So to wrap things up, like I said, if you have any questions, if you guys think we can help you out, feel free to give us a call. Our information will be attached to the email. Thank you.